chute number 6 will be Douglas Dolby.
So far, Dougie has performed badly, but he's won the draw for the feature bull ride. Lightning Jack is a rank bull. No cowboy has stayed on him longer than a few seconds.
I tell you what, that bull was tough. He jumped out, dropped the shoulder, turned back, and put the cowboy down. This point in time, we can only wish him all the very best out there. How about we put our hands together one more time for the bull?
All the bull riding schools in America couldn't prepare Dougie for the buck of Lightning Jack. Even the clown went down. The competition is over. Now Dougie must mend his busted rib before the next rodeo.
You've been trying to give it all up. You've tried hard.